Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock market videos full guide. Start by defining your audience and picking one clear idea per video to teach. Decide on the tone and depth before scripting and plan a short hook to grab attention. Create a brief outline with a beginning, middle, and end so your content flows. Keep visuals and examples relevant to the idea and time your segments for crisp pacing. Write scripts that speak directly to viewers and avoid jargon without explanation. Use short sentences and active voice so speech sounds natural in voiceovers and on camera. Map visuals to lines in a simple storyboard to save editing time. Plan chart highlights, callouts, and on-screen text before recording. Rehearse aloud to check pacing and adjust word counts so each section fits your target video length. Record in short segments to reduce mistakes and keep energy steady during takes. Use a reliable mic and quiet room for clean audio and set consistent levels for effortless editing. Capture screen recordings at readable resolution and crop to emphasize important chart areas and figures. Edit out filler, add captions for key points, and include concise transitions. Finish with a branded intro and outro that reinforce your channel identity and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.